Okay, so Google Business Profile. This is going to help people find you. It is going to help to create trust and build authority on your end. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you first of all need a Gmail account. So if you do not already have one, just go create one. It doesn't matter what the name is, just create one. Then when you come in here to Google My Profile, Google Business Profile, because they recently changed the name, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say, let's see, I'm just making this up. Okay, I'm going to do digital marketing, continue. Right, and then I get to choose the type of business. So I'm going to say I'm a service business. All right, or I could say customers can purchase through my website because they can. I'm not local. But for a real estate agent, I would probably do service business. You could also do local because you visit people in person and you may have an office. I don't know. So I'm just going to click all three of them. I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'm going to add a website. For this one, I'm just going to put in my real estate school. Now, you can also build a website through this. I have not done that. I do not like how it looks, but that's up to you. It doesn't, I mean, it's not going to hurt anything. Business category, I'm going to do digital marketing. Actually, let's just do marketing. And you can change this information later. Street address. Now, I usually use a P.O. box for my public facing address, but let me give you a little workaround. So I have a P.O. box, and I use the street address for my P.O. box. That is my workaround right here. Right, I'm going to click next. It wants me to add a phone number. I'm just going to put one of mine in there. All right, and now I can put my business on the map. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Then you need to choose how to get verified. All right, I'm already verified with Google, so what I'm hoping is that it will send me a text message to verify me. It did. Oh, yay. Because normally, if you're not verified with Google, what you need to do is wait for a postcard to come in the mail. And it comes pretty fast, but just keep that in mind and know that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and skip this. I'm going to add, I can add more to my services there, but I'm going to skip it. I can add hours, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's just do opens at 10, closes at 5, and whatever your hours are. I'm just making this up as I go here. I'm going to shut Wednesday off. You see how you do that? You just go through and add them for whatever days you're open. Click next. I can accept messages from people that want to message me directly from my profile. And then I'm just going to put in a little business description. All right, whatever the case may be. Next. Now I can come in here and I can add photos. Very simple to do. I'm just actually going to click on one of me. It's going to upload it. You can see how simple that was. Add as many as you want. I'm going to click on next. And now I don't advertise on Google. I'm all about getting my traffic organically. So you can advertise with Google if you want, but I do not. I'm going to go ahead and click skip. And I'm going to click continue. And you can see my edits will be visible once I'm verified. All right, continue. Now, this is what you're going to see. It doesn't look like much, but in a second, I am going to pull up my completed profile so that you can see that. But for right now, if I click into here, it's going to say verification processing, pretty much wherever I click verification processing. All right, so until I am 100% verified, which can take a couple minutes, and like I said, if you have to get a postcard, that can take a couple weeks. But just so you know, that's why you want to get this set up now. Now this is my profile completely filled out. Okay, so on the one that we were working on, there was nothing to the right of the search engine results. This is the search engine results section right here. There was nothing here. You can see that my profile is here now because I'm back on my regular real estate profile. All right, so if I go do a search for Dani Bucholtz Real Estate, which I'm going to do using an incognito tab, so it's not knowing that I'm trying to pull up anything that I'm already working on. When I do it incognito, the search browser has no idea that I'm already logged into the Google My Profile software platform, right? But here I am. So if somebody comes to search for a real estate agent, let's just say, North Carolina, whatever the case may be, these are paid for. These people pay for these positions. I don't want to do that. So if somebody's looking for me, right, I'm going to pop up. So that you can see that I didn't even put in agent or North Carolina or South Carolina, but I still pop up. You can see all of the content that I have here. If you want to see more, just click the view all, and it will take you into my posts, which you can look at. All right, so your homework assignment is to, part of your homework assignment is to go set up your profile, get this all up and running. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can post it in the platform or you can drop me an email and I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. If you don't have all of the content filled out now, if you're waiting for verification, don't let that hold you up. Just skip on to the next step. I'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day.